Well, here we go again, YouTubes, and all the other social medias, of course. We do have Winnie here. Say hi, Winnie. Oh, you're grumpy because we're not at the park yet, aren't you? Anyhow, we do have a small kids park over that way. I'm gonna grab my detecting gear and we'll see what we can find while Winnie plays on the playground. Alright, we didn't even make it all the way to the park yet. And right there is my favorite signal, showing only one arrow down, so this might be a surface find. Can I see it without digging? Not quite yet, but this should be a quarter. Get out my trusty pinpointer. She might just be a tiny bit in the ground, so we'll just take off the surface, and I can already see there is our first quarter of the day. This one will be a 2000. Can't tell if that's maybe 2007, but Idaho state quarter. Add that to the pile. You can tell Winnie's impatient with her stomping. Not what I love to find, but at least I get to clean it up. You can see, I won't focus in, but there's a bunch of kids playing in the park. We have a nice sharp bent nail. There's only about 1 inch below the surface here. Here we go. I was getting a bouncy 13 to 14, and I got excited because that looks like treasure, but I can see some type of super glue on the back. So whatever this is, I'm pretty sure that's probably just like a plastic pearl and a piece of junk jewelry, but it's better than a pull tab. And there it is. This is when you hope this is something that made its way into the park when they were making wood chips. Because although I can obviously tell that's copper and ring up like a penny, if you see that kind of right in the center here, that crimping goes all the way around, this would have been the outer layer of a copper jacketed bullet right here in the park where the kids play. Got a little excited about this one because she's quite shiny, and usually when they have kind of that black, that's old silver. But we lucked out though, because if I can read that right, that looks like a 2017 Philadelphia dime, so just regular clad. And we're about 8 to 9 inches deep in that hole. It's getting everywhere from a 23 to a 26. Definitely gives us a dime, but not silver. I can see the copper edge. She's just quite weathered, and I'm guessing that's probably, looks like a 77. Really good signal, but feel bad for whoever lost their brake lever for their bicycle, as that probably made it quite a bit difficult for them to stop. Either way, it's mine now. And as much as I don't enjoy being by this stinky fish smelling garbage can, just a couple inches away from it, I had a solid 2930, which again is another quarter. Modern 1999, state of Georgia. Another quick quarter. Around these gazebo areas, usually find people dropping change. This one is going to be a 2000 state of Virginia quarter. One more quarter in the middle of the field here. Where I'm searching is pretty much where you'd imagine people would be walking from the park over there down to the bleachers area where they have the baseball fields. And this is going to be a 1980 Eagleback quarter. And a little bit older for the next find. I can never tell if that's in focus for the GoPro, but this will be a 1966 copper penny. getting close to those silver years. I'm going to keep searching around this little picnic section. And another one. Quick find, maybe 18 inches away from the cement pad here. This will be an older 1977 quarter. Quite dark. Usually they come out of the ground bright red here, but who knows what's been spilling off of this little picnic area. Not quite silver, but I'll take it. And my heart stopped for a second there when I saw the color of this. But of course it's just, can't tell if that's glass. Probably, maybe this was like a perfume squirter. And that's probably glass in there. That's why you don't dig around with your fingers. But she was ringing up 28, so almost a quarter because of that shape. Just about a foot from that last quarter is a dark dime. Can't quite see the year. But I believe she's just going to be clad. So that's what the edge looks like. We'll know for sure after we run her through the tumbler. We got another one just a couple feet away. This is going to be a 2020. I believe it's Vermont. Land Stewardship. Marsh Bill. Rockefeller. That sounds about right. And another 2020 quarter to add to the pile.